Once you're done with that, you have to go to card, and once you're in the card section, you actually copy this. You're going to be needing it, but I'm going to be blurring it for security purposes. I'm going to be blurring everything for security purposes, right? So what you have to do, you have to click on the card. I'm going to be blurring everything here. So you have to copy the card, you have to copy it, then you have to open your TikTok, go to balance, then click on recharge. You have to unlock it. What's wrong with this thing? So once you unlock it, it's going to show you your balance. And once it shows you your balance, I'm going to be doing 17 coins for this. So once you click on it, it's going to ask you for your card, something like that. So I'm going to click on new card. I'm going to be adding a new card. So once you click, you add. Okay, you have to paste it here. Like I said, I'm going to be blurring everything here. So once you're done with that, you just click save, and it's going to add the card to your Google account. So once it adds the card, you have to click on buy, and once you click on buy, it's going to ask you for your password, and I'm going to be blurring this as well. And then you're going to click on verify. So once you click on verify, it's going to process, and you're going to see payment successful, and that is how you actually do it. So please, I had to spend a lot of money to make this video because I'm actually broke and I had to spend some money to make the video. So please, I want you to like this video, just share it to your friends and like the video, and please subscribe to my channel.